All right, the world is remembering Michael Jackson today, with Monday, June 25th, marking 9 years since the King of Pop's death in 2009.
It's trending on Twitter with everyone sharing their favorite MJ memories, throwback photos of the moonwalking sensation, the whole thing. Here are some of our favorites.
Yeah, this one says, this tweet is very true. He is one of the few celebrities, when I heard of his death, I can still remember exactly where I was. That is how impactful and legendary that man was. Where were you when you heard?
So I was in Nashville with my family on a trip. I remember getting a text from a coworker, and it was just this moment you felt, and people around where we were started talking about it. You could just hear people chattering about it.
Yeah, I actually don't remember where I was. I don't know. Maybe I was in class. I don't know. 2009.
But it's one of those things that it changed so much.
I feel kind of bad that I don't remember where I was.
You should feel terrible about that.
There's gotta be other people that don't remember. I still fan and love him.
Of course, and we can still fan out with the memories here. Twitter user Ivan Casas shared his favorite Michael Jackson quote. He said, "If you enter this world knowing you are loved and you leave this world knowing the same, then everything that happens in between can be dealt with." He goes on to add RIP to the king of entertainment.
Yeah, and we're also loving the photos that Lorraine King added to her tweet tribute. Talk about a throwback there.
She added the caption, "Gone far too soon." He was just 51 years old when he died, so obviously very true there.
Well, finally, Twitter user Answers to None posted this black and white photo of Michael with a really thoughtful caption, reading in part, "Growing up with him and his artistry was a privilege for my generation. We thought he was superhuman in his talent, his humanitarianism, his creativity. There is no comparison." That's very well said.
Yeah, Michael's daughter, Paris Jackson, who's now 20 years old, tweeted out her appreciation of all the tributes. She wrote, quote, "Thank you all for the love you've sent during this time."